how to put subtitles to CapCut. So if you want to put subtitles on your CapCut video, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, open up your CapCut. After opening your CapCut, now if you want to put some subtitles to it, then first select your video. And after that, here on the left side, you will have an option of captions. So you need to click on captions. Under captions, you will have auto caption section, which is on the left side. So in order to use the auto captions, you need to have a pro version because if you don't have a pro version, you won't be able to add auto captions to it. So click on auto captions and then select the language. After selecting the language, we can go with generate, which is here on the bottom right, and it might take some time to generate the auto captions. But in some cases, you don't need the pro version. You can use the auto caption, but it might not be available in all the other countries. So you just need simply wait till it generate the captions, and after that, the captions will be added to your video. So that's how you can put subtitles in CapCut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.